Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn resources and development together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study resources, the things in our environment that satisfy human needs, and why their planning and conservation are so important. Resources are classified in many ways. By origin, they are biotic or abiotic. By use, they are renewable, which can be replenished, or non-renewable, which take ages to form. They may also be owned individually or by the nation. Resources must be developed wisely. Greedy overuse leads to scarcity and pollution. Sustainable development means meeting present needs without harming the ability of future generations to meet theirs. Land is a vital resource for farming, forests, and homes. Soil, formed over thousands of years, is renewable but fragile. Running water and wind cause soil erosion, which we must prevent through careful methods. We can protect soil in several ways: plowing along contours, building terraces on slopes, planting shelter belts, and growing more trees all help reduce erosion and keep the soil fertile. To recap, resources are classified by origin and by use, and must be developed sustainably. Land and soil are precious resources, and conservation methods help us protect them for the future. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.